Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, node or static host, and an email.js account with service, template, and public key. Once done, install at email/browser and import it into your JS file. Next, wire form inputs with clear ID attributes so you can read values. You want to collect name, email, and message and prevent default form submission. Make sure to keep keys client-safe by using public key only. Proceed to initialize email.js with the public key so the next step can send. You now implement the core send logic. First, initialize email.js with emails. Init your public key, then attach a submit handler that prevents default. Once inside the handler, collect and validate inputs, trim strings, and confirm required fields. After validation, choose send or send form. Send params for manual objects or send form to post form element directly. Then await the promise and handle success and error. Use transitional logging so you know when to show a confirmation UI or disable. You finish by polishing UX and adding robust error handling. Once the send promise resolves, show a success message and clear the form. If it rejects, present a helpful error and re-enable submission. Also, make sure your email.js template maps variable names exactly to params you send. For security, avoid embedding secret keys and restrict what you store client-side. If something goes wrong, the top troubleshooting step is to recheck service ID, template ID, and public key. Mismatches are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.